Sounds like a nice tune. So, if there is no other suggestions, then rest assured, once there's a report on this, we'll send it around to you for first feedback. All those people who signed up to this list, that is. If you haven't signed up but you do want to get the report, please make sure you sign up still. The second, if it's done, it goes also to the GFCE website and will be exposed to the world. You will not be quoted as an individual, but there may be some pictures in it. If you really don't want to be in the picture, let me know and we make sure such pictures will not be posted. With that, I think it's input to future events and the actions that are here. If you have ideas and suggestions on how to come back on that, please respond to the email on which you get the report, contribute with your ideas, and we will fold it in before we finalize the report on this as suggestions made by participants. Okay? I think the last question is, should we strive to organize such a day again next year? Yes. Raise of hands. Who would join if they are around? Yes? Okay, so that's a majority. So we'll tell also Nick Reiner and Alan Aina, who's been instrumental in making it happen this time, of your interest. And they already said they'd be interested to know how that felt. So I think with that, it's the first time today we're on schedule. And I'd like to thank you very much for your attention, for your contributions. I'd love to thank the speakers and the co-organizers for the excellent work in bringing this together. And you, thank you so much for turning the camera wherever it needed to be turned in a very elegant way. So, Isaac also thanks for streaming this. This stream will be available on the Isaac website. With that, thank you and goodbye.